Welcome back to another teardown. Today we'll be tearing down the JBL CLIP 3. This is a small rugged Bluetooth speaker with a surprisingly big sound. It has an integrated carabiner that you can use to clip the speaker onto your backpack or anything you can think of to take with you. Before we start this teardown, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be doing a complete teardown of the new JBL CLIP 4, so you don't want to miss out on that one. Now let's go ahead and get down to business. The CLIP 3 comes in this clear plastic box, which nicely displays the CLIP 3. Out of the box, we have here the CLIP 3 documentation, which includes a quick startup guide, a safety instruction, and a warranty card. In this little compartment here, we have here your standard JBL micro USB charging cable, which measures 13 inches long. And here we have the JBL CLIP 3. Measuring 5.4 by 3.8 by 1.8 inches, this speaker is not too big and fit right into the palm of your hand. Only weighing about half a pound, this speaker is lightweight and is easy to carry around. Let's go ahead and clear off the table so we can start this teardown. Like always, I'll be using my Husky precision tool for this teardown. First thing we're going to do is use a flathead to gently pry open the front cap of the speaker. The cap is glued onto the speaker, so you have to use a bit of force to pop it off. Besides the beautiful look of this front cap, it is also durable, and the plastic is tough enough to protect the driver and the passive radiator from drop and damages. As always, JBL makes sure the speaker is airtight. As you can see here, both the driver and radiator respond pretty well with one another as I'm pressing on it. Let's open up the speaker by removing these 5 screws. After removing these screws, the front cover just comes right off. The driver and control button are still connected to the motherboard, so we'll go ahead and gently unplug those. Now let's take out the driver by removing these 2 screws. This small driver has a total output of 3.3 watts. It may not seem a lot, but with a few tests I've done, this driver is pretty loud for its size. I will have more sound test video of this speaker, so don't forget to check it out. We have here the circuit board for the main control button that is held down by 2 screws. This circuit board is simple and only consists of the play button and the volume up and down. Here we have the front enclosure. It has the gasket for the driver and contains the passive radiator, which is glued onto there. Before we take out the motherboard, let's remove the carabiner by pulling it off. This carabiner is made of metal with a matte finish. It is strong and sturdy, and with the rubber lining on the inside of the hook, you can rest assured that your speaker will stay in place while you play your music. Now let's remove the motherboard by removing these 4 screws. The motherboard is attached to the battery and the charging port. Let's go ahead and remove these 2 cables. As you can see here, we have here the microphone, which allows you to take crystal clear calls from the speaker with a touch of a button. And here's the motherboard, which is a central unit that provides all the function of the speaker. It has Bluetooth 4.0, features a 3.5mm audio input, has auto power off, and a maximum operating range of 100 feet. And here's the battery, which is glued into the enclosure. This battery has an estimated charge time of 3 hours and support up to 10 hours of playtime. On the bottom side with the glue is where the micro USB charging port and an aux port is located. I will also leave this alone as I don't want to break the waterproof seal. Well, that's it for the teardown of the JBL CLIP 3. I will be having many more teardown of JBL products, including the new JBL CLIP 4, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next teardown.